Welcome to Polyglot Pilot. Today, I'm your co-pilot for English. We are going to learn 10 powerful hacks to speak English naturally. Not boring school English, real English, fun English. The English people actually use every day. Hack number 1, stop saying very tired. Nobody says that. Say I'm exhausted after work. Say that meeting drained me. Or say I'm totally beat today. Much better, much more natural. Hack number 2, stop saying I'm fine, thank you. It sounds like a robot. Instead say, I'm good. Say, pretty good, thanks. Or say, can't complain. That's how native speakers answer. Hack number 3, learn the power of ghosting. Do you know this slang? Ghosting means ignoring someone completely. You text them. They vanish, like a ghost. Example, I thought we had a date, but she ghosted me. Now you sound like a TikTok native. Hack number 4, coffee time. At Starbucks, never say, give me a coffee. That sounds rude. Say, can I get a latte to go, please? Or, can I get an iced coffee to go, please? One sentence, infinite drinks, and you sound super polite. Hack number 5, stop saying very happy. Say, I'm thrilled. Say, I'm over the moon. Or say, I'm pumped. Imagine telling your friend, I'm pumped for the weekend. That's real English energy. Hack number 6, social media slang. Do you know BRB? It means be right back. LOL? It means laugh out loud. SMH? It means shaking my head. These are short, funny, and everywhere online. Hack number 7, learn what's up. It doesn't mean what is above you. It just means how are you, or what are you doing? Answer with not much, or just chilling. Easy, friendly, natural. Hack number 8, stop saying I don't understand. That's too heavy. Say, sorry, I didn't get that. Or, can you say that again? It sounds polite, and people like it more. Hack number 9, learn how to say no politely. Never say just no. Say, I'm not sure about that. Or, I don't think I can. Or, maybe another time. This is English diplomacy. It saves you in business, and in relationships too. Hack number 10, stop learning English in silence. Speak it, every day, even if you are alone. Talk to your phone, talk to the mirror, talk to your cat. English is not about rules, it's about practice. Speak, laugh, repeat. You now have 10 powerful hacks. You sound less boring. You sound more natural. You sound like a real English speaker. If you learned something new today, hit like right now. Subscribe to Polyglot Pilot for daily English lessons. Your journey to natural English starts today. See you on board.